Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I don't really know what we're going to be doing, but as you can see, I'm in a different area than I usually am. And that's because we got our Christmas tree out of there. And now that's out of here, I have this space. I don't know if you'd see it, but I had a clothes basket here, and I put it in front of there. Now I have a bit of a fort. There, like a whole fort, but I probably ain't gonna be in it much in this video. But as you can see, I'm showing because I have a piece of candy in. Right there. So, yeah. Oh, and this appeared on my desk on Friday. I don't know who it's from, but I don't like it. So, yeah. So, I don't really know what to do, so I guess I'll just end it here. See ya.